What's good, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So if you're using VALR or Luno crypto exchange, well, in this video I'm gonna show you how exactly you can automate the whole trading process. There is actually a bot that can pretty much trade for you on VALR and Luno crypto exchange without you knowing how to trade, how to set orders and stuff like that. And this is a simple, straightforward, and I'm gonna show you how exactly you can automate the whole process and let bots trade for you on VALR or Luno crypto exchange. So without anything ado, guys, let's just jump right into it without wasting any time. All right.
Today, we are going to connect TradingView alerts to a PLUREX signal and then trade them automatically on VALR. You can connect new exchange accounts from your settings. We already have 2 VALR accounts connected to PLUREX. From the trading terminal, you can see we have a perp-enabled account ready to trade on VALR's leveraged perp markets. And we can easily switch to our spot account on any of VALR's spot markets. To trade automatically, we first need to create a signal. PLUREX signals are reusable. This means that once you have connected your strategy, you can execute that strategy on any of your exchange accounts without having to reconnect. Every signal has a set of default settings. You decide what you want to happen when a message comes in for a new market, and you can manage your risk with entry cost limits for each market. Set your entry size as a percentage of the account limit or use risk-based sizing. Protect your entry price with slippage limits and pick from a growing set of powerful entry strategies. There is a choice of stop loss settings, and you can set multiple take profit levels with market trailing triggers to capture more of that profit. After a quick review, your signal is ready to connect. Clicking your Signal's Connect button will bring up the available connection guides. We will start with a TradingView strategy. On TradingView, we have a simple moving average crossover strategy running on the BTC/USD market. We create a new alert. Select our strategy and give the alert a name. We grab the signal alert message from PLUREX and paste it into the alert message. Finally, we grab the signal webhook and paste it into the alert webhook URL. Let's connect another market, but this time, we are going to connect an indicator alert. The TradingView alert webhook guide lets us choose the message we want. In this case, a long message. On TradingView, we have our FUSE market. It has short and long time frame moving average indicators. We create our long alert, paste our long message, and configure it to trigger when our short time frame crosses above the long time frame. We make sure we are connecting to the correct webhook and create our FUSD long alert. We repeat that process for the short message with our short time frame crossing below the long time frame indicator. Now we have a moving average USD BTC strategy alert, and we have 2 alerts for the FUSE market indicators, one for the long cross and one for the short cross. While we were configuring our F market, an alert fired for the BTC market. We can see the message was received, and the signal is now tracking the BTC/USD market. Let's start an account executor for this signal. We will start with our spot account. We must pick which messages we are listening to in terms of the quote asset, and we map them to an execution market at the exchange. We will listen to all USE messages and execute them on ZAR spot markets. We set a maximum open position cost. Review and start the executor. Now this is where PLUREX signal scalability comes in. We will start another executor on the same signal. This time, we will select our VALR perp account, and we will map our USE messages to USDT perp markets. We set our open position limit, and we will also set the leverage we want to use. Now we have 2 executors running on the same signal, and we will wait for TradingView to trigger some new entries. We have an F long message, and both account executors respond and open their new positions on the ZAR spot market and the USDT perp market. We can view executor activity by account, by market, and by entry. And the trading terminal gives you a similar view for the activity on the selected market. We have a BTC long, and again, our executors have responded. And here is an F short from our simple moving average crossover alert. The executors start to track the P and L with the close of a long on those markets. The position is also flipped and the new shorts are opened. In a few minutes, we connected multiple TradingView markets to our moving average signal and started multiple executors trading on spot and per exchange markets. And with that, we have completed our demo. Thanks for taking the time. See you in the order books.